What's up, you guys? Alexandra here, and today we are going to be unboxing yet another new subscription box service. I am so excited. I received a bunch of boxes yesterday. It was like everything that I've ordered for the last 3 months finally all hit and came in yesterday. It was insane. So I am too excited, and I just cannot get these videos done fast enough. So today's box is going to be the Glitter Bitch box, which I just absolutely love the name. So a little bit about this box. I don't know if you guys remember, I did put a post on my Instagram about this when it first released or when I first heard about it. So this is a box from Trisha Paytas. And if you guys don't know who that is, she is the original, and I mean original old school YouTuber from 2011 and probably even before that, really. She's been doing it for a long time, and she used to do unboxings. Now she's done a little bit of everything, quite frankly, from makeup to, like I said, unboxings to even she's done music videos and things like that. So she's a little bit of everywhere right now, but she is all about all things glittery and glitzy and glam, and she's just absolutely over the top. So when I heard that she was releasing a box, I of course had to sign up for it because it just sounded too much fun. You know what I'm saying? And maybe it's an overpriced box, I don't know, but for me, like I said, it was just a must-have. So this box is a bi-monthly box. Now, these did ship out June 21st, so I don't know if this is actually June's box or July's box, but it is $59.99. Again, I know it's a little pricey for some, but I know everything in here is not going to be anything short of amazing because, again, it's Trisha Paytas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dig on into this. All right, so when you open the box up, this is what it looks like. And there, of course, is a picture of Trisha there. And the other thing, you guys, I really like supporting other YouTubers, even though, honestly, she doesn't need the support. She is doing fine on her own. I just, you guys know, this is my dream to do this right here. So I am really excited for her, and I had to throw my support at it. So there's a little card here that says, thank you. I was kind of hoping there was going to be a card with information on it, but I'm not seeing that on there. Trisha, what are you doing, sweetie? You got to have a price card. So anyways, without the paper and everything, that is what she looks like. So let's go ahead and pull out the first thing here, which looks like, oh, it looks like a passport thing here. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's definitely what it is. And of course it is just glitzy and glam. Now it is very smooth. You can't feel the glitter on there. It's just very smooth and chic. So I do really like that. Although I don't go anywhere I don't even have a passport. So that kind of sucks. Maybe one day I'll get rich and famous. Not but you never know, maybe one day I'll be able to take a trip or something, so, and that will come in useful because it is super cute. In the meantime, I might be able to just use it as a wallet, you know what I'm saying? So the next thing in here is this right here, which looks like a purse. And honestly, I know you guys are thinking that's a plastic purse, Alex. It is a plastic purse, but it is super cute. And I have to say, this is not no cheap Walmart feeling plastic purse. This is really, I don't know if you guys can see, but I mean, it is really nicely, that is some nice leather on there. I don't know if it's a vegan leather or what. I'm guessing with Trisha, probably so, but I mean, it is super nice. It kind of sucks that it was squished in the box, but it is super cute and super nice. So I'm gonna put something in the bottom of there to unsquish it there, but I really do like that. So I don't know where I'll use it, but I will use it, and I do like it. It is cute. It's very cute. I have my moments, I'm just a giant kid at heart, really. And then inside of the purse there was a bag here. Oh, and it comes with a strap. Okay, so the strap goes to the purse there. So if you wanted to just carry it like this, you can, or you can put the strap on it here. There's little things on the edge, on the ends here, and you can wear it as like a shoulder bag. So that is super awesome. And then this here looks like a really nice makeup bag, and it is very, very nice. Like it's like got like lining on the inside there. It's very, very nice. And it of course has the glitter bitch on it. So that is super cute, and I will definitely be putting that to use because you can never have too many good bags like that. So anyways, let's move on to the next thing. So this is Cover Coco London Glow Mask. It's a radiance boosting glitter mask. You guys can see that right there. So let's go ahead and pop this on open. Oh wow, you know what this kind of reminds me of? And let me see, I'm gonna open it up and see. Oh yeah. So when you open it up, it's like all sealed, and then you take the little thing off here. It looks like some might have like somehow seeped out, or maybe that was just the glue that, I don't know. Let me see if I can get it open without, oh my God, I'm gonna dump this everywhere, so help me God. What on God's green earth? This whole thing just came out. What is going on? Oh, okay, there we go. Wow. Holy cow, you guys. So there is like glitter and little stars on there and stuff. So I've always wondered, is this like actually good to put on your face? Like I know this brand right here, it's like a brand out in like Hollywood and stuff, and they're a really good brand, but I mean, seriously, is that good to put on your face? So this is like a peel mask, I think, that you, it's kind of like that Glow Job. Yeah. And peel away, rinsing off residue. Yeah, it's literally like the Glow Job mask right there. Oh my God, you guys. My daughter is going to have a field day with that for sure. So, all right, let's push that back in there. Now that I have disassembled their packaging there. Good grief. All right, the next thing in here we have is from Nick Chavez Beverly Hills Diva Glitzy Styling Glaze Body and Bounce. So if you don't know, Trisha Paytas is she's got like the big hair, like the big 80s hairdo style kind of thing. I mean, like I said, she's always over the top, just big and bold. So I could definitely see her putting something like this in there, and is a light, airy, volumizing hair glaze that melts into hair for a soft velour-like finish. It provides natural-looking shine and gloss and transforms limp and lifeless hair into a smooth blowout. So I am looking forward to this because my hair has definitely been a little lifeless here lately. So I actually need to like re-dye it. So I think I'm going to do that this week or this weekend. And then we have one of these little things. I can't remember what these are called, but I've had one of these before. I actually ended up giving mine away because just wasn't a fan myself. So I will probably do the same thing with this. I will probably put it in a giveaway, but I know some people really do love them, and I do know they do definitely smooth out the puffiness and all of that. It's just I have a really bony face is all, so it just doesn't work well for me. All right, the next item in here is, pull out the little thingies here. It looks like a glitter bitch, some kind of makeup of some sort. Oh, sparkles. They're glitter bitch sparkles. There you've got the adhesive glue, which I need, so thank you, Trisha. And then you've got really like chunky, let's open this. Looks like real, oh my gosh, there's like sparkles flying everywhere. Holy crap. So yeah, if you can see that, it's like really chunky glitter there, which is good because I can't even tell you guys how many looks that I have done and wanted to do and needed like some bigger, chunkier glitter, and I did not have any. So I'm actually kind of happy to have this. especially for, like I said, some of the looks and things that I've tried to create for like Instagram and then even on this channel. So I'm actually really happy to have that. Look at that. Like even the packaging is like glittery. Like how insane is that? So I don't know if maybe glitter just spilled out everywhere or that's just some really hyped up, amazing packaging. But all right, so there's a little test tubey thing here, but it doesn't have anything on it. So I'm guessing this goes with the rest of this stuff here. Oh yes, so I'm really excited to try this. So this is a Glitter Bitch popcorn maker with popcorn, and this is edible popcorn sprinkled glitter. So I'm just like really curious though, and I really hate to be the one to go there, but if you eat glitter popcorn or eat glitter, like are you gonna, you know, glitter, you know what I'm saying? Like, is it gonna make my stuff pretty? Just curious. I know, like I hate to go there, potty humor, but I really am wondering that. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like when you get those really, really, really good, amazing slushified snow cones and they turn your stuff like neon blue. Like that's what I'm talking about. So I am really curious about this though. So let's go try this out. Okay, so I made my popcorn and I would just like to point out a couple of things. Number one, it said in here that you put 1/4 cup or 3 tablespoons, which equals 1 serving. So we literally measured it out and there was only, in that entire bag of kernel of popcorn, there was only 2/4 of a cups because I was gonna make some for me and Cadence. So this is the entire bag of popcorn right here, as you guys can see. So it was a little more fluffed up, but I added butter to it. So it kind of like, you know what I'm saying? You guys know. Anyways, so yeah, this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you guys can see there the little pink sparklies. So this is the other thing. And I don't know why I keep eating this because honestly, it's not that good. I hate to say it. So, she said, I've included enough kernels for 3 servings of sweet caramel apple glitter popcorn. This does not taste like caramel apple. I like caramel apples. This does not taste like caramel apples. Honestly, the glitter tastes like watermelon. I'm like not even joking. And I don't know why I keep eating it because it's not really that great, but I like popcorn, and I used to not be able to eat popcorn for years, so, and I'm not a person that likes to waste food either, but yeah, this pink glittery stuff here, maybe if I add more, I don't know, let's try to add some more. Maybe I just didn't put enough on there, so we'll add some more, because, I mean, it's already been tainted, and God knows I'm not doing this again. I do really like the popcorn bowl though. It is pretty amazing, especially the fact that it like folds up and you can just take it with you wherever. That is pretty awesome. And you just dump the kernels in there and then put this little thing and it actually like goes inside the bowl, like actually goes down here. And as the popcorn starts popping, like it lifts up. So that's pretty awesome. So I do like that. Yeah, that's definitely watermelon, you guys. I'm telling you right now, it's watermelon all day. Anyways, so let me know down below, did you pick up the Glitter Bitch box? What flavor do you think this is? Because I'm telling you, I'm getting watermelon. I'm not getting apple at all. Apple anything. I'm definitely getting watermelon. So anyways, and then if you guys did not get to watch it yet, because I know YouTube has been screwing with my channel again. What's new? I know. But they have not been notifying people about videos and that kind of thing. So I did post my Hank and Henry video yesterday. Tomorrow we will have our Bijou Beauty box. So keep an eye out for that. And I've got all kinds of other goodies coming for you guys. I've got dupe palettes, and I got my Juvia's Place today, and we've got our color pot. We've got all kinds of goodies. So anyways, make sure you guys definitely check back here, or as I've said before, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I do post on there whenever I post videos up. So I love you guys so much. If you haven't entered in our 6K giveaway, make sure you do, and before you know it, we'll be at 7K, and then when we get to 10K, we're gonna do a huge giveaway. All right, you guys. So I love you so very much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.